So I'm making this, I just started this stuffed animal pattern. I'll be making the rabbit for this video. I kind of got some things started already. I got my fabric laid out. I'm making it out of a old ripped up pair of pajama pants that I found. And it'll be two different types of fabric. So it'll be this white one and this cool black jack-o'-lantern one, which I like. It's very nice. So I'm gonna finish pinning that rabbit paper pattern to the fabric, and then we'll get started on the rest. Okay, now that we got that first piece cut, we're gonna get started on the second one. And then we're gonna start going after the rest of the directions. Next, I'm going to serge the edges of the rabbit pieces, and then after that, I'm going to figure out the stitching. I take a break from this project. I'll come back to it when I have some more energy. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I think I figured out how to do these dart seams properly, and if I didn't, well, we'll try again. Y'all, my other time-lapse video got interrupted because I got a call. I'm using my phone to record, so I'm gonna get started on the second half of the rabbit. Alright, next I'm going to try and figure out how to stitch these two pieces together now that they're all fixed up. I messed this up already. I got confused with the directions and I accidentally flipped these both inside out or right side out when I wasn't supposed to yet, so I'm going to fix that. Okay, now that I got the rabbit kind of turned out the way he's supposed to be, I'm gonna stuff him next. Alright, so our rabbit buddy is pretty much done. I just gotta find some little eyes to put on him, and then I know what I have to fix. There's a little spot here that got nicked somehow, so I'll fix that, and then I'll like ladder stitch this thing closed properly. But overall, not too bad for my first time making a stuffed animal. I mean, looks like a rabbit, except he's a little extra thick. So, but yeah, he's pretty cute, so not too bad. I'm happy with it.